Hey YouTube, this is Daisy from Daisy Made Gifts. I am new to YouTube and I am so excited to be able to have this channel and to show you what I can do, what Daisy Made can create. Daisy Made Gifts pretty much has established over 5 years ago, and it consists of playing with paper. I create handmade paper goods from scrapbook albums, junk journals, embellishments, layouts, and just greeting cards and so much more. And I am so excited to be able to share that with the YouTube community and those crafters that are out there that love to view channels such as this one. This channel will hopefully be able to inspire others to want to create similarities of what I can create, techniques, and so forth. So I'm looking forward to that part, and as well as also to be a form of entertainment, so you can see what it entails to create something from paper and it being established into a 10-page journal, things like that. So I hope that it provides inspiration and entertainment at the same time. I'm also excited about being able to join the YouTube community. I know I'm myself am a YouTube watcher, and I love the variety of channels that are out there, and I hope to be a collaborator as well. I'm looking forward to posting on a bi-weekly basis, as I am a full-time employee and, I have a household of 6. So I'm looking forward to being able to participate in a bi-weekly posting of a new channel. Sorry, my cat's wanting to be part of the video. But yeah, so I'm looking forward to that. I really hope that you guys can stick around and see what I can create, and have any suggestions or comments. I really appreciate that. I also have an Etsy shop that carries a lot of the items that I've created in the past and I've sold, and you guys can check that out as well. I'll leave a link to my shop in the description box. But a lot of the items that I will be creating in my YouTube channel will be up in my Etsy shop for purchase. Other than that, I just wanted to throw out this quick little intro video just so you can see who I am before I get to the real content of this channel. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.